morning, Monday, November 3rd, 12 noon Central. Thank you so much for being here. Thanks for being on this scented journey with me. My name's Rebecca. I am a Scentsy fragrance specialist, and I'm bringing you the latest news. So a lot has been happening just 10 hours into the new month. Lots of collections, lots of new warmers. We have everything from Always Get My Bar perk, and I'll do a separate video on that, to a new warmer, wax bar, you name it, all these collections. Well, Scentsy dropped another collection, so hence here I am again to give you the latest and greatest. All right, so welcome if you're new. If you're returning, thank you so much for being back. I love all the support. I love the engagement. All right, so we have a contemporary holiday collection launching this Monday, November 3rd, 2025 at 12 noon Central. I will have pre-orders available for you. They are open already. So if you want to get in on this or any of your favorite Scentsy products, I will be able to place your order for you in case if you'll be unavailable or at work. All right, so the Contemporary Holiday Special offers a fresh, trendy take on festive decorating with artisanal decor and sophisticated fragrances, including a new fragrance bar. So this collection is going to be geared to those of you that like modern vibes, not your traditional decor, but modern, a lot of glass. And if you are one that shops, let's say at Anthropologie, World Market, I would even say Kirkland's, this is the collection that you're going to want to grab. I will say, looking at the collection, I think these warmers, especially two of them, are going to go quickly because they're just too cute, and I don't even think I'll be able to pass them up. So let's get right into it. Let's start off with the new fragrance bar. It's called Iced Winter Mint. Sugared apple brings a touch of sweetness to a crisp peppermint and frosted spruce. So if you're going to grab this, you might as well grab 5 more bars, get that 10% off. If you want me to place your order, I could even give you a better deal. How about buy 5, get 1 free? And if you want to add in a warmer, we're going to even give you an additional savings. You'll unlock that 10% off. So if you buy any warmer and 6 bars, you're going to unlock a 10% discount. If you purchase your products yourself via you going onto my corporate website at bossbecca.com, you'll be able to get the 6 bars for 10% off. But I have a special that I can always give you, which is buy 5, get 1 free. And I don't mind placing the orders. Actually, I prefer it that way. All right, so in addition to this new Scentsy fragrance bar, this collection has a lot of new warmers. So let's get right into it. So we do have 2 new warmers, a candy cane confetti glass warmer, and a snowman confetti glass warmer. So these are very popular right now. From what I've been hearing and seeing is Anthropologie has some like glass, like you would say hot cocoa or iced latte drink holders, cups, glasses. I haven't seen them personally in person, but I've seen pictures, and it does kind of mimic it. So it's got that trendy, modern, contemporary vibe. So these 2 warmers are going to be glass, and they are going to be $55. If you happen to have a party link open, you can use your hostess program on that. It's always smart to have an open shopping link, party link, scent event, whatever you want to call it, open in your name, even if you're not a consultant. And guess what? As a consultant, I always have a party open. So I do take advantage of having my party get really, 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 really large in orders. And then I like to go ham and get free and half off on my warmers and other Scentsy products. So if you don't have a shopping link open, I can always open one for you. It's very easy. It takes 2 seconds. All right. So in addition to these 2 new glass warmers, we do also have a peppermint swirl warmer, which is right up here for you. I think it's cute. It's not personally my style. I do like the snowman warmer the best and the candy cane confetti ones. But this peppermint swirl warmer is going to be $60. And it's cute. You know, if that is what your decor style is. I think lately my decor style is changing, and I never really thought it was gonna go this way, but it kind of has. I'm trying to get into the neutral vibes and have everything aesthetically match. So I have kind of went through my warmer collection. Even though the warmers were cute, I've decided that somebody else can love them. So I'm trying to have everything aesthetically match and vibe together. So that peppermint swirl one, even though it's cute, it's not really going to go into my neutral decor vibe. But I'll pop in color here and there with other accessories. So this peppermint swirl warmer is going to be $60, also available this coming Monday. In addition to the 3 warmers and the new, what is it? The warmers and the new scent bar, we also have some new candles coming. So if you're enjoying our soy-based candles, you're not going to want to miss putting your hands on 2 more Scentsy candles. All right, so we are going to have Cinnamon Bear, which is a fragrance that we already offer, and also we offer this one, Winterberry Apple Tea. I've never had Cinnamon Bear, so I don't know how the wax bar performs. I have warmed Winterberry Apple Tea. It's a very popular fragrance. I've only done it once a couple years ago, so I really don't remember how it performed, but it's a very popular fragrance. So Winterberry Apple Tea is going to come. The candles are $30 individually. You can bundle 2 and save $6. It'll bring the total down to $54. Go big or go home. Bundle 3 candles, any 3 candles, and they will go down, and they will be $72. You'll be saving 20%. So also in this collection, we are going to have a new diffuser, which is the Pine Swirl Diffuser, and I'll put a picture up here, and at the end of the video I will attach all these pictures for you so you can go through the whole collection and see if there's anything there that speaks to you and that you want to purchase on Monday. So if you already have the base, the premium diffuser base, you do not need to get the whole base and diffuser shade. We do offer the diffuser shade individually, and that is going to be available for $70. If you need the base, you are going to have to get that for $150, but don't fret. Use those Hostess rewards. That's how I got mine. I got mine absolutely free. So that is what is happening this Monday, November 3rd, 12 noon Central at bossbecca.com. If you want to get on my pre-order list, please make sure you look at the description below. It will be right there. All you have to do is fill it out and secure payment to me. If you could get your payments into me no later than 9 o'clock Central tomorrow night, Sunday, I would appreciate it. So there you have it. Modern vibes coming to Scentsy, and I absolutely love this collection. I am looking forward to getting to the new fragrance bar and possibly 1 or 2 new warmers. So thank you so much for joining me today. Thank you for being on this scented journey, and don't forget to change your wax. Bye.
Be kind to one another and don't give in to fear. That's all that I am asking for Christmas time.